What if you need to draw a line that's square to an edge or square to another line at a specific point on that line? Let's say, for example, I want my perpendicular line to be located right there. Well, you can do this with a compass, and if it's a large workpiece, you may not have a square that's long enough or big enough to draw that perpendicular line all the way across the workpiece as you need it. So if it's a large workpiece, you can use a beam compass, and you would do that by putting the point of the compass at your desired location or line, and then you go draw an arc across that original line in two locations, and then you can make the span of the compass a little bit larger and put the point of the compass on your intersecting point. Same back here. And now, where the intersection of those two arcs and your original point is, you can connect those two and know for certain that those lines are going to be square.